So, what happens when you have these stationary atoms inside a liquid? This is where it gets really interesting. This created a brand new phase of matter. A Corralled supercooled liquid. It's a liquid, but it's trapped and desperately wants to freeze. If you cool it down even further, it finally turns solid, but not into a normal crystal. Instead, it becomes an amorphous solid, like glass, with its atoms all jumbled up. This weird metal glass is highly unstable. As soon as the atomic corral is broken, it explosively rearranges itself back into a stable crystal. This discovery isn't just a cool science trick, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities. For example, platinum on carbon is a vital catalyst used in everything from cars to chemical plants. This new hybrid state, part liquid, part solid, could lead to self-cleaning catalysts that are far more efficient and last longer. By learning to build these atomic corrals, we could precisely control how materials form at the atomic level. Imagine creating materials with unique properties by design, combining the characteristics of both liquids and solids. This could lead to more efficient use of rare and precious metals, helping us build a cleaner, more sustainable future for energy and technology. We're literally watching the building blocks of matter get rearranged, and the future looks incredibly exciting. Thanks for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing science. See you next time.